Interpreting old-fashioned handwritten recordings can be frustrating and lead to incorrect treatment, which requires changing decades of behavior from manual to digital entry. Less intuitive or unfriendly user interfaces create reluctance or rejection by clinicians. Introducing Ksatria eHospital, an answer to those problems. Developed as an HIS with low costs, advanced technology, and continuous improvement, Ksatria eHospital covers 4 essential hospital domains: patient administration, clinical, commercial, and core IT. Ksatria eHospital clinical modules allows medical staff to effortlessly record clinical information anytime and anywhere, so information can be used in a timely fashion. Using an international standard, clinical notes produced by Ksatria eHospital will ensure your hospital complies with patient safety regulations. User-friendly, easy to navigate, and consistent screens. Ksatria eHospital provides step-by-step guidance for clinicians. Doctors and nurses see the same screen, making it easy to align and update information throughout treatment. Easier prescribing and ordering between services without having to leave the page. A system accessible from any device anywhere, enabling teleconsultation. Using internationally recognized codes for diagnosis and procedures, leaving no room for misinterpretation. Ensure your hospital applies accurate and automated charging with various payment types and treatment classes. Switch between patients without leaving the main screen, saving time and improving patient tracking. Ksatria eHospital provides a comprehensive overview of each patient through past examination records, medical and family history, allergy and lifestyle information, profile pictures for patient verification, electronic prescribing and ordering, and clear communication among health professionals to ensure patient safety. Examination reports that support collaborative care, gathered as a complete medical history, all accessible on a single-page application. Minimize the loss of revenue from income leakages, missed charges, and improper calculations. Get in touch with a Ksatria System Advisor today at www.ksatria.io.